Financials are critical. They are the numbers, the revenues, the profits. You can pull from any report, but that's only two-thirds the story. The final third, it's the people, the leaders whose vision, grit, and choices shape the destiny of any company. Without knowing them, you are betting half blind. January 2023. A US short sellers report accused this company of fraud and stock manipulation, wiping out $100 billion in market value. The company's shares plummet as the world braces for its collapse. Its leader stood resolute, his eyes blazing as he rallied his team to fight. Fast forward to September 2025. SEBI dismisses all key allegations. The very next morning, this leader visits a temple with his wife and simply lights a single diya. Not in triumph, but in quiet gratitude. For the man, this win was more than clearance. And for investors, this moment unveils the underlying spirit behind the empire. That's why we created KYC. Know Your Companies, a video series diving into the minds of people steering India's giants. In just 4 to 5 minutes, we will deliver a sharp human insights to empower your investment decisions. Concise enough for your busy day, but deep enough to spark confidence. Today we explore the Adani Group, where one man's ambition meets a nation's dream. The Adani Group began in 1988 when Gautam Adani, a 26-year-old from a modest Jaain family in Ahmedabad, launched a trading firm dealing in textiles and grains. Born in 1962, Gautam Adani was no scholar. He ditched college at 16, diving into Mumbai's diamond markets, where he learned trader's instinct. By 1990s, as India opened its economy, he saw beyond commodities. Picture him in 1995 standing on Mudra's desolate shore. Where others saw sand, he saw Golden Gateway. With sheer will, he built India's largest private port, a lifeline for trade. His motto, growth with goodness, became his compass. But Gautam Adani is not a one-man army. Supporting him are his quiet giants. Vneet, Jaain, the renewable energy chief, is a visionary technician, walking Rajasthan's deserts at dawn, and his eyes are fixed on 45 gigawatts of power energy, green power by 2030. Jugeshinder Singh, the CFO, is a steady anchor, poring over spreadsheets to navigate debt and scrutiny, even inviting global talent to join India's growth. Strengths. The group dominates ports, airports, energy and defense, attracting $9 billion in global investments, including $2 billion from Abu Dhabi's IHC for green projects. Financially, FY25 was robust. EBITDA was up 26% at 16,000 crores. Profit before tax was up 16% at 6,500 crores. And the revenue was up 7%. Upcoming opportunities include a $15 to $20 billion annual capex over 5 years, targeting renewables, data centers, and infrastructure, positioning Adani as India's growth engine, potentially making Gautam Adani a trillionaire by 2028. But the challenges linger. Whispers of political tries, ongoing probes in few areas despite SEBI's clearance, and the US allegations raise governance questions in a family-driven model. Yet the group's resilience shines through. The Adani Group isn't just steel and power. It's a story of a human fire, from a teenager's hustle to a nation-building empire. KYC. Know Your Companies brings you their story in just 4 minutes, empowering you to invest with clarity. Subscribe for more and ask yourself, do you bet on the builders who rise from the ashes, or just the balance sheets that come out of their work? Share your thoughts below and comment if you'd like to participate in this conversation. Thank you for tuning in.